أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will talk about the prokaryotes. We all know that prokaryotes are living organisms, and we also know that in this group, in prokaryotic group, there are only one type of living organism we will see, that is bacteria. Now, later on we will talk about the bacteria in very much detail, but first of all we should know that what is prokaryote. Prokaryotic or those organisms which do not have membrane-bonded organelles. They are prokaryotic. And we also know that prokaryotes are everywhere we can see them. First of all, there are some properties and characteristics of prokaryote. We will look at these points first of all. First of all, we will look at the taxonomic position as kingdom Monera. We should know that all the prokaryotes, that is bacteria, we put them in kingdom Monera. We put them in kingdom Monera. According to two kingdom classification, all microorganisms were placed in kingdom Plantae. Earlier, when the study was not that much good, we placed all the microorganisms in kingdom Plantae, as we have already discussed that first of all, when for the first time classification were observing by the scientists, they classified the whole living organism into two main groups, into two main kingdoms, that is animalia and plantae. But at that time all the living microorganisms were placed in kingdom plantae, which was incorrect later on. In 1861, John Hogg proposed protesta for all microorganisms. In 1861, John Hogg came and he said that we should put these microorganisms into separate groups. So that microorganisms were being eliminated by kingdom from the kingdom Plantae to the protesta group. In 1868, Ernest Haeckel made Monero group for prokaryote within Kingdom Protesta. Now, John Hogg made a separate group, that is Kingdom Protesta. That is Protesta. Now, in Kingdom Protesta, all the microorganism was placed in that group, whether it is bacteria or virus or anything that is microorganisms were placed in Kingdom Protesta. But when Ernest Haeckel came, he separate the protesta, he separate for bacteria another group, that is kingdom protesta. He separate it from kingdom protesta. Within that protesta he made another group, that is kingdom Monera. In 1938, Herbert Copeland separated group Monera from protesta. Now, what did Copeland do? That he separated the Monero from the Protesta group. He made it a separate kingdom, that is Kingdom Monera. He gave the status of separate kingdom to the Moneras, that is bacteria. So they are already, we know that they are prokaryotic. Now, five kingdom classification. We should know about the five kingdom of classification. In five kingdom classification, this classification was given by Robert Whitaker, and in this classification we have kingdom Monera, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Protesta. Now, in kingdom Monera, they placed prokaryotic living organisms. Prokaryotic living organism means that they do not have well-defined nucleus, or they do not have membrane-bonded organelles. Taxonomic position of prokaryotes as domain. It was in kingdom system. In five kingdom classification, they have given a separate kingdom to the Monerians, in which all the prokaryotic living organisms, that is bacteria, were present. But nowadays classification, if you look at this group, we have three main domains. That is eukarya, archaea, bacteria. Bacteria means true bacteria, which is true, which is we see nowadays, and archaeobacteria, that is ancient bacteria. Number third, eukarya. In eukarya, we have all those organisms which have a well-defined nucleus. I mean, you can say that all the kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Protista, all these four kingdoms are present in this domain, in eukarya domain. But as we see that bacteria and archaeobacteria, these are the separate groups. Bacteria, we see that they are prokaryotic, they do not have well-defined nucleus, they do not have membrane-bounded organelles, and in archaeobacteria, they are ancient bacteria which were later, these archaeobacteria present 2.5 to 3.2 million years ago, they evolved. We know that evolution is the gradual change in the behavior of living organisms. When this change occur in these archaeobacteria, they evolve to bacteria. I hope you enjoy the lecture. If you enjoy the lecture, uh, give us a like. If you don't like, please unlike. Thanks.